Good, good afternoon, everyone. Today, we are going to be discussing about the role of ICT in recent history in Million People March. Now, what is the Million People March? The Million People March was a series of protests that mainly took place in Luneta Park from August 22 to 26, 2013, so 11 years ago. This was to condemn the misused PDAF. Though dubbed as the Million People March, the total amount of attendees is only around 400,000. Now, what is PDAF? PDAF stands for Priority Development Assistance Fund or PORC-PARA. This fund was intended for projects that would benefit the people, but it was often used for personal gain or for projects that did not benefit the public. In short, the money was supposed to be used for projects that would help the people, like building schools, fixing roads, or helping poor families. However, many lawmakers misused the PDAF. They spent it on things that didn't help their people. They spent it for themselves or give it to their friends and families. How did ICT help the Million People March? Information and Communication Technology, or better known as ICT, helped the Million People March in mobilizing participants, amplifying their voices, and raising awareness about the PDAF scam. The organizers and promoters use Facebook and Change.org as their mediums. Facebook served as a platform for organizing, spreading information, and connecting people who were outraged by the PDAF scam. This helped to create a sense of unity and purpose among the participants, leading to the massive turnout at the Million People March. While Change.org was used to create petitions calling for the abolition of the PDAF system and the prosecution of corrupt officials. These petitions garnered thousands of signatures demonstrating the widespread public support for the movement. So Filipinos use these social media platforms to express their anger and frustration, creating blogs, pages, and advertisements highlighting the issue of corruption and the PDAF scam. Who was the mastermind behind the PORC-PARA scam? So this picture right here is Napoles. Janet Lim Napoles is a business woman who is believed to have masterminded the PORC-PARA scam. She was convicted of plunder for her involvement in the PDAF scam and is facing charges for alleged involvement in the misuse of the Malampaya Fund for Disaster Response Operations. So this is Janet Lim Napoles. She is the mastermind behind the PORC-PARA scam. In summary, the Million People March was a powerful protest against corruption in the Philippines. ICT played a big role in mobilizing participants, with Facebook facilitating organization and awareness, while Change.org helped gather petitions for the abolition of the PDAF system. The march marked a significant turning point in the Philippine history, showcasing the power of public protest and technology in advocating for change. So this Million People March happened because they wanted to abolish the PDAF or PORC-PARA. Thank you all for listening.